dance and drama. And it is quite pleasing to be here this afternoon at this market. We love it here. We were here last time sometime, and we are privileged again to come back. Mom, thank you. I love what you're doing in the basket. That's exactly what we came for. Oh, we're going to work on that. Thank you for your consent. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the children's choir that came from Uganda to come to your beautiful country to raise awareness of our cause and also to raise some money to help us run the orphanage for this year. And if you need much more information, we have a table here with African jewelry, African crafts. Basically, today you can have a chance of do early Christmas shopping, because at the end of the month we'll be going back to Uganda, so you can find us. So today is the last day. Everything you buy today is 50% off, and all for the good cause. All for the good cause. The next song is entitled Quarter. It is in African language, which literally means that get hold of that which God has placed in your hands and let it go. Thank you very much. Once again, Neema Children's Choir on the stage.
That's some pictures that they took. That's my sister there. But I don't know where they were. It's your friend Karen.
Muleka fuge, leka yeso fuge.